Hi, I'm Elly. Today I'm going to read you a story called a minute.
Up.
Oh, sorry. When I grow up, I'll be a chef. Are you ready to listen? Okay, I'm going to read you the story. When I grow up, I'll be a chef. Every Friday, Dad and I make pasta. Mom really loves pasta best, so always we give mom we always give mom the best pasta ever. Actually, mom is the trickiest one, and it was always the one who was always being bored. So it was really tricky. What do you really know about those? I'll pretend that I am Master Chef. It's really good. It's just like those. And four. You never really know about those things. And actually, my younger sister pretended to be the waiter. It's sometimes great when you just really do it this way. Actually, there's some kind of things, but I really love somewhere's waiters who tell the master what to do like those. You want to be a chef? My staff and I get to work. Actually, my staff is my dad. I work with my dad. You some kind of love this. We have to work great because there is a customer who's the pickiest one. Well, you never know. Pickiest customer. This is the pickiest customer ever, so we have to be always careful. So you have to really be careful, and we have to do. doesn't feel like good. It doesn't taste like good. Uh, it doesn't taste good to me, but what will taste like to the pickiest customer, Mom? Oh. What you never know. This pickiest customer, when it is pickiest customer, then you can't do anything. Even when it's the pickiest, then you can never just do it. It, it really tastes like actually glue, and it has to be really best ever. But I'm really actually not the pickiest one, but actually this pickiest customer, what are you going to do with it? This pickiest customer won't let us. Actually, to them, when Mom really loved those, they give us some reward as monies. So they really wanted to get some money. So, I really want to get that money. I really want to. I really want, but why can't we have it? You never. I really wanted the reward. I have an idea. She really doesn't lose, but always she loves cream pasta, Then we can give her cream pasta. Cream pasta is the best. I can always give her cream pasta is the best. Actually, she can't even resist because it's too delicious. It's delicious. Spaghetti-licious. It's almost the best ever. I really love those things. Don't you think? Whew. And they first prepared the cream and put it on a bowl and put some noodles around, and they put on and they put those almonds and it was done. It was always the best. So the pickiest customer on their family tried to taste it. They tasted tasted it. So they tasted. And she said, this is the best cream pasta ever. The best and these creamy ones. I really love these creamy ones. And there's even chicken too. So I really love it best. Oh, this is best. I'm going to give you this reward. And so they always make her that cream pasta. And they always get the reward. And this is the end of the story. Don't you love the story? They really are a great job. So, I think the boy will be a chef when he grows up. Okay, and thank you for listening to my story. Bye.